Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to replant the aloe vera plant. Here you can see that the aloe vera plant is not growing well. Now I am going to replanting this aloe vera plant to a new pot. In the first step, you slide the aloe vera plant out of the soil and handle the plant by the root ball as much as possible to avoid the damaging the plant. When transplanting large aloes, it's particularly important to lift the plant by the root ball. After that, just use your hand and lift the aloe vera plant from this current place. The root of the aloe vera plant get rot and the partial part of this aloe vera root get damaged by a fungal or any other problem. Because of this reason, my aloe vera plant is growing very slowly because there is no roots available for getting much nutrients for this aloe vera plant. Now I am going to removing the some much of this damaged root from this aloe vera. Now I would like to give you a small tips about preventing the further rot of this aloe vera plant. Now I am going to show you how to prevent the further damaging of this aloe vera plant root from other fungal or bacterial infections. Here you can see that the rotted part of the aloe vera root, the fungus or bacteria is infected and damaged the below root from the aloe vera plant. Now I am going to prevent the further damaging of this aloe vera plant. The turmeric powder will prevent any bacterial or fungal disease. It also helps accelerate the plant's natural healing process. Now I am going to dip the root into this turmeric powder. In the next step, we are going to preparing a pot for planting this aloe vera plant. Select a clean pot with a drainage hole in the bottom. Cover the hole with a loose fitting flat stone or a small piece of screen and place it over the hole. The trick is to let water out and keep soil in. Now remove some much of water from the center of the pot for planting this aloe vera. After that, place the aloe into the pit and now you add soil under the root ball as necessary until the base of the aloe is aligned with the lip of the pot. Add more soil around the root ball as needed to fill in the pot. Pat it down with the flat of your hand. Water your aloe plant infrequently but deeply. If it's spotted until water flows from the bottom drainage hole, when the top inch or two of soil is dry to the touch, aloe hate the sit in water and oversaturating the plant may encourage rot. The best time to water your aloe is in the morning to give its foliage time to dry off before night falls. If you like my video, click on the subscribe button and also comment in my video.